Our business is Cove. I'm one of the owners, and we have a full service Aveda salon. The vision that we had at Cove was really to bring an updated space to the community. We tore down the walls essentially down to brick, and we also renovated the upstairs. For us, we really wanted to be in that downtown location, specifically because of the traffic and just really restoring the square. That's definitely a passion of ours, to bring those newer concepts to the area. We're super thankful for this funding. When restoring a building downtown, it's definitely a lot more than you think. You have to work with the state, which takes more time, takes more money. The funding really helped us out. If we didn't have it, we definitely wouldn't have been able to take our business to the next level. The process was a lot, but definitely worth it.